Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing Company. Today we are on a project of chimney chase cover. So we will make a new chase cover. We will install, but we have big problem with this chimney. And on the inside, on the ceiling, they have a lot of damage. So Three Brothers Roofing, we will provide solution. So we have our chase cover right here. So we made the hole already, and we have the flange, and everything fits perfect. So before our soldering, we apply our flux to be ready for the soldering system. Okay, so after our flux, now we are at the point we are applying our soldering. All right, and this side is done. We have to go around the same way. Okay, so our flange is done, looks perfect and good to go up to the chimney top. So we did the repointing and we applied the new Moro mix, we applied the water repellent, and now we're installing the new custom-made stainless steel chase cover. All right, so the solution, and it fit perfect. So from now on, this chimney will be no more leak, 100% guarantee. Three Brothers Roofing, the solution. Our project is completed. We did repointing around the whole chimney, and we installed a new chase cover. We applied the water repellent. That's it for today. See you guys next time. Chop chop.